Milk is one of the most consumed beverages worldwide, enjoyed by millions every day. But have you ever wondered how fresh milk is produced? In this video, we'll take you inside high-tech dairy farms to explore the modern process of raising cows for milk production. We'll also look at how milk is processed in advanced factories to ensure quality and safety before reaching your table. Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's kick off this amazing adventure. The dairy farming industry has a history of over 10,000 years, dating back to when ancient civilizations began domesticating cows for milk production. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans relied on milk as an essential source of nutrition. In ancient Egypt, milk was believed to be reserved only for royalty, priests, and the wealthy. Over time, dairy farming spread to other parts of the world, including Europe, Africa, and Britain. In the 1800s, a single cow produced an average of only 1,000 liters of milk per year. Today, thanks to advancements in cattle breeding, nutrition, and farming technology, the average production has increased to over 10,000 liters per year. Modern dairy farms prioritize cow comfort. Spacious barns provide ample room for cows to move freely, reducing stress and improving overall health. To ensure a soft and hygienic resting area, fresh straw and sand are added regularly. Sand is ideal as it prevents bacteria growth. Automated grooming brushes are installed in the barn, allowing cows to scratch and massage themselves. High-tech barns feature large fans and misting systems, which automatically adjust based on temperature. These help to keep cows cool and comfortable year-round. Water is reused multiple times for barn cleaning and cooling. Manure is processed into organic fertilizer for growing grass, while sand is separated, dried, and recycled for bedding. This system minimizes waste and supports sustainable agriculture. Feeding calves milk, especially colostrum, is crucial for their growth and immune system development, providing essential nutrients and antibodies in the early stages. In modern farms, automatic milk feeding machines ensure consistent and accurate milk delivery, optimizing nutrition and reducing labor effort. Mature dairy cows are usually fed 2 to 3 times a day, with a well-balanced diet consisting of silage, hay, and grains. This diet not only supports their overall health, but also helps enhance milk quality, ensuring optimal production and cow well-being. Fresh water should be available at all times to ensure proper hydration. Smart sensors and wearable devices track cows' health in real time, monitoring behavior, movement, and vital signs for early detection of health issues. Veterinarians conduct regular health checks and vaccinations to ensure cows remain healthy, preventing diseases and promoting overall well-being. The cows are milked 3 times a day. Firstly, cows are led to the rotary parlor. Then, cows are cleaned with rotating scrub brushes, and milking begins when units are attached to the udders. The milking process lasts about 8 minutes, with 5 to 6 minutes of actual milking time per cow. A milking machine uses gentle suction to extract milk efficiently, while ensuring cow comfort and hygiene. It mimics natural milking with a vacuum system, transferring milk directly to storage tanks to maintain cleanliness. When a cow reaches a certain threshold or low milk weight, the unit will automatically detach and come off of the animal. After milking, cows receive iodine-based treatment to sanitize and condition their udders. Then, each cow walks over scales that record its 7-day average weight, helping monitor its health. Once collected, the milk is transported in insulated tankers, kept at 34 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth throughout the journey to the factory. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the milk undergoes a quality check for temperature, flavor, and contaminants. Next, the milk is pasteurized by heating to kill harmful bacteria while preserving its taste and nutrition, ensuring safe, high-quality milk. The milk is then packaged into bottles or cartons. The empty bottles move along a conveyor belt towards the bottling machine. The bottling machine pumps the milk from the tanks and into the bottles. Once the bottle is full, it puts a cap on the bottle. Milk can be enhanced with added flavors like chocolate and strawberry, making it even more delicious and enjoyable. Milk can also be packaged in cartons. The cartons are sealed tightly to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Each carton is labeled with important information, such as the expiration date and nutritional content, before being ready for distribution to stores and consumers. Milk is rich in essential nutrients, promoting strong bones, better hydration, and improved muscle health, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. In today's video, we explored advanced dairy farming technology, from tracking cows' health to milking and packaging. If you enjoyed this journey from farm to table, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.